Hi there, it's your friendly IC Vanessa back with the amazing
Ellen Phillips.
for our video number 2 is on creating assessments in Eduphoria. So right now, this is our second video and we are going to show you how to go in and find the test you were working on. So what you do is you go into Aware on your home screen of Eduphoria, and once you're there, you're going to select Assessments, and then you will select My Teacher Tests, and you're going to want to select the pending administrations unless you've made it active. And I know that we didn't, so we're going to pending. And then third grade, math, and we were working on Unit 1 math test. And there it is, ready for us to add to, edit, or any of the other things we could possibly do. So next, what we want to do is look at the administration part of the assessment.
So now our test is made, and now we want to send it to some of our teammates who may be using the same test. So now we're going to go to Share a Copy. Then you're going to click the search button. And then I'm going to type in the name of the teacher I want to send it to. I want to send mine to Crystal Ware. And then I'm going to click Send Test. So now it says Dripping Springs says your test has been sent.
Yay! Alrighty, we're going to close that. And the next thing we're going to do is go and make it active because we are ready for the students to take the test. Now, obviously, we did not put a whole test together, but we're just showing you the steps you need in order to make it active. So you'll select active, and it brings up all the test details that you can look at, and you can go back to your questions. You can go to your layout, which will be on the computer because the students don't have it yet. Test key, and then your online, which is where you are going to be enabling what needs to happen for your students. And it looks like everything's already on.
So these are just some embedded features that you can add to your test for individual students.
Yes. And so now we know that we have an active test ready to go. And we just wanted to make sure you had that. You can also print your draft of the test if you need to see it on paper. Sometimes I like to do this in order to really read and double check and make sure everything's right. It just helps me to have a paper copy at times and make notes on it. So, for example, for CBAs, I like to have a paper copy of what the changes were in the test so I can go in with a different color pen and write in those changes and then make them online. And I think that's all we were going to show for this video. Have a great day.